Hello, this is Boris Navarro with Panther ID number 6334916 with Lab4 floating point number and computer arithmetic for class EEL 4709C computer design with Professor Dr. Kwon. Today we'll be showing you two videos of two programs. The first one is a MIPS assembly program that reads an input n from a user and then outputs n's factorial and transform it into from an integer to a floating number using the instructions mtcl and cvt.s.w to get a final floating number variable. The second program is a C program that performs several tasks. So I'll be showing you in details. In this MIPS assembly program, the user is prompted to enter a number which will be outputted as an n's factorial. This is thanks to the MTC1 line and cvt.s.w, which does converts the floating point into a register, moves it to the register, and then this is made into convert the word to a single precision float. So here you can see we're using the last number 20, and that's the number we get as a floating point. This is a C program that asks the user first to display my name, my full name, and Panther ID number. I start with the headers, the stdio header, the limits, float, etc. Then with the signed integers minimum, it displays the signed integer minimum and maximum, the unsigned integers minimum, maximum, floating point max and minimum, the negative floating point values as well. Then this is an example of an overflow happening here by entering the numbers when adding two values. Also, that's when you multiply it and then you get an overflow. Last but not least is the underflow. These are examples. This is an example of an underflow. We can see we build and run, and here are the values. So you can see these are the decimal and hex values for the max and minimum of the signed integers, and then unsigned integers you have the same thing. The positive floating point values, we have them here in decimal and hexadecimal as well. We have the mantissa, the sign, similarly with the negative floating point values, and then the overflow and underflow. All right, thanks for watching.